In this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect your PS5 to Spectrum Wi-Fi. First, turn on your PS5. Press the power button on your PS5 console to turn it on. Then go to Settings. From the main menu, navigate to the top right and select the gear icon to open the Settings menu. After that, select Network. In the Settings menu, select Network. Then set up Internet connection. In the Network menu, select Set up Internet connection. Then choose Wi-Fi. Select Use Wi-Fi. Then choose your Wi-Fi network. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Find and select your Spectrum Wi-Fi network from the list. Then enter Wi-Fi password. If your Wi-Fi network is secured, you will be prompted to enter the password. Enter your Spectrum Wi-Fi password and select OK. And the last one is test connection. After entering the password, the PS5 will attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can select test internet connection to ensure everything is working properly. So that's how you can connect your PS5 to Spectrum Wi-Fi.